Hello friends, my name is Akshay Goel and today we will learn about array in PHP. So, what is an array? It stores multiple values in a single variable. It's mean by using an array we can store multiple values in a single variable. For example, if we talk about a variable, then we can store string and integer in a variable like this. But suppose we want to store multiple values like a, b, and c, then we can use array. So in this you can see that a, b, and c is stored in a $php array. So now $php array work as an array. So how can we define array in a PHP? So this is a simple syntax to define an array in a PHP. Now, there is a three types of array in a PHP. First is indexed array, second is associative array, and the third is multidimensional array. In this video, we will cover the indexed array. So let's start. Indexed array. So what is indexed array? In the indexed array, we store the value on the index value. For example, suppose we have an array this $php array equal to array ABC. Now $php array have three values a, b, and c. So according to the indexed array, we can store the values of a, b, c on the indexed value 0, 1, 2 respectively. It's mean the value of a will be stored on a zero index. Like this, b value will be stored on the index value 1 and the c value will be stored on the index value 2. So suppose that we want to get the value of a, then we will write the code like this: echo $php array 0 0 because the value of a stored on the indexed value 0. So what will be the output of this? Yes, a, because $php array 0 contains the value a. So like this we can get the value of b and c. So let's try on this on PHP editor. So first of all, create any file, a PHP file, the PHP file. Let's say index.php. Now we will write here our code to print the value in array. So open the PHP and I am declaring my array. Suppose array name is PHP array. So as I explained in example, PHP array. Uh, this array have three value: a, b, and c. As I explained in example, a, b, and c. Now, as we know that the value a is present on the index value 0 and b 1 and c 2. So now I want the value a. So to print our value we will use echo, and after this array name, that is php array, and after this the index value 0 because I want to print the value a. So if the code is correct, then it will print the value a. Save the file and check out localhost slash programming at index.php. You can see we got the value a. Now uh, we want the value of b and c, then we can do the same process, echo, and after this the array name and the index value because the value b is present on the index value 1. So b will print the b value, and if we want to print the value c, then just replace the index value with 2, and it will give the output c. So we can check this. See, we got that all three values A, B, and C, and this is a very simple example of PHP indexed array. So, if you have any doubt, you can comment in a video, and to learn about the other two array, multidimensional and associative, you can check my other video also. Now, one important thing. If you want to learn more about PHP programming, then you can check my other videos too. And I also shared a link of Amazon where you can buy the best book for PHP. And if this video helped you, then you can like and subscribe for up to date my new videos. Thanks for watching.